This isn't a house, it's a statement. Every wall, every light, every silence tells you how a billionaire lives. From the outside, the house feels calm. Clean lines, dark stone, nothing loud. Because real luxury doesn't need attention. The door opens quietly. No echoes, no clutter. Space welcomes you in. Wide, controlled, intentional. This is where the day begins. Natural light flows across matte floors. Furniture stays low, grounded. Everything here feels balanced, designed to slow time. This is how mornings feel, unrushed. A long stone table, cold, solid, heavy. Soft lights glow beneath, subtle, precise. Breakfast here isn't rushed, it's observed. Black surfaces, hidden appliances, no mess in sight. This kitchen doesn't show effort, it shows control. Even simplicity feels expensive. Steps feel slow here, sound disappears. Artwork watches silently, not to impress, to remind. This house remembers success. The bedroom feels quiet, almost protected. Dark textures, soft lighting from the walls. This is where the billionaire rests, not escapes. Stone, steam, silence. Water moves slowly. Mirrors stay clean. Luxury here isn't decoration, it's privacy. As daylight fades, warm lights wake up. The house changes mood, without asking. This is how evenings settle in. Every room stays calm. Every detail stays intentional. Because this isn't about money, it's about how life feels inside a billionaire's house.